Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a huge haul, a gigantic haul from Dollar Tree. And when I say gigantic, I mean because of all this Christmas stuff that I bought. I have a huge Christmas haul and then a few other things from Dollar Tree. Back years ago when I was little, we used to have Christmas decorations in our neighborhoods, not just the houses. I'm not just talking about on the houses and your neighbors' houses and stuff. I mean on the main fairways of your neighborhood. We used to have the Santa with the bells going across the streets in like a arch, or across where the lights are hung at, and they had Christmas lights going down the main fairways and stuff, main streets in our city, in our neighborhood, and it felt like Christmas. And years of late, it just does not feel like Christmas too much anymore. Even though you see some of the displays in the stores and you see all the commercials and about the toys and all that stuff, it just doesn't feel like Christmas sometimes anymore. Just the atmosphere, just the whole hoorah. So I kind of wanted to bring back, in my household anyway, on the outside. The inside would be a little different, but the outside, I wanted to bring back that showman, that bright, colorful, Christmassy feel. So without further ado, I'm going to get into my Christmas decorations. So yeah, it's going to look like a Christmas wonderland around here. So I hope it snows this Christmas. So anyway, first thing, I got this gold Christmas tree. I already have one, so I just needed, one more gold one. I have a gold one already. So of course, and it was $1 because I got from Dollar Tree. So I got that, and I got these Christmas bulbs. They were $1, of course, and they are 5 in here. I already have a whole bunch of Christmas ornaments, but these I have a special idea for, I think, on my mailbox. So I thought the swirls, the gold swirls, were so pretty in that. So I got that, and I have, let's see if I can find it. I have two of these Christmas candy canes in green and red. They are so cute. They caught my eye as soon as I came in the door. They have the Christmas display on the wall to the right when you first walk in, and these caught my eye. So I got two of these. I have an idea for these. They'll probably go up on either side of the garage, one on this side of the garage and one on this side. So that's that. And in equal gaudy style, I got two big ornaments. Oh my goodness, I got 3. They were stuck together. I hope she charged me for them. But yeah, I got 3. I thought I had 2, but they were like this. Hopefully she charged me. But because I don't want to be stealing. It was an accident. But anyway, I got 3 of these, and I'll find somewhere for the third one to go. But anyway, got 3 of those. When I say I want my house to look like Christmas, I want it to look like Christmas from old. You know how you get that feeling? Y'all remember that movie, It's a Wonderful Life? And even though it was not in color and everything, that's basically kind of how my childhood was, even more so. But they had, the Christmas decorations all around town and all that stuff. But anyway, I got 2 green Christmas trees. So I got that. And I got, this was so cute. It says Merry Christmas on it. So I got that. That'll be just around, I'll probably put that outside, because this is only for 1 year. Probably next year I'll decorate totally different outside. And when you put these decorations outside and they go through the snow and rain of November and December and all that, it wears down on the color and the vibrancy and all that stuff. Some things last for 2 years. I think a couple of things have lasted 3, but for the most part, at $1 and you just getting 30, 35 things, it's not bad. It's not bad. All right, I got this Let It Snow little piece, and I just thought this was so cute. So cute. And one tip to you all, if you put, what do you call that? I have to put the name right there because I cannot remember. Mod Podge. If you cover it with Mod Podge, it will last a little longer. So I did learn that with my fall decor. And this Merry Christmas sign. Oops, wrong way. Merry Christmas sign. I thought that was so pretty, all glittery and everything. And I got this sleigh. I love that. Love that, love that, love that. And I got some little jingle bells. I thought the gold, I'm not a green person. They had red and gold, but this green just stood out. It looks so pretty. So I got that in green. So as y'all see, my theme is red, green, gold. That's what it's gonna be on the outside. Got this little cute sleigh. How cute is that? How cute is that? So these decorations, you know, you can put them inside. If you use them just for inside, they're gonna last for years, but outside, a year or two. All right, I got some of these. Oh, these deer are so cute. So these will go inside most likely, probably in the living room or somewhere. It's just a little bit more of a sophisticated, you know, look. So I love those. Those are so pretty. And I love this little church. That is so cute. So cute. So don't skip on Dollar Tree, y'all. They got the cutest stuff for Christmas. Okay, so that was it from Dollar Tree. But, well, for the Christmas decor, that was it. This I got from Old Time Pottery. They have the best yard flags, y'all. So this is the one that I chose for this year. It says welcome on it, and it is a snowman. Reminds me of Frosty the Snowman off of the children's cartoons that I used to watch around Christmas time. So that's what it reminded me of. And I just thought that was so cute. The colors just so vibrant. The black, the red, the green. It's so pretty. So that's going to go in my yard, and it will go with my red and green pop of decor that's going to be on the outside. I got glitter everywhere. Okay. Gotta vacuum before my husband. Anyway, on to the rest of Dollar Tree, because I got some more stuff. That's all for Christmas, but I got some more stuff, of course, because I was going all up and down the aisles, each aisle. So anyway, I got this near the paper towels and stuff like that. And then your Dollar Tree might be somewhere else, but I got these little condiment cups because I like to season, just like basically every homemaker, every woman or whatever has a special blend of seasonings that you like to use. And if you combine them and put them together, and this is just a perfect size, it's 12 of these and it's $1. So I have not found the recipe quite yet, but on our hooks, and we have Mike's Chicken and Fish, they have this lemon pepper seasoning that is so good. And it's not the same lemon pepper that's in your jars that you just get to say lemon pepper, like from Kroger's or Target or whatever. It tastes totally different. This has a sweet flavor, so I know they have probably lemon pepper and some sugar. So I'm gonna find that recipe and I'm gonna make it just for our house. And so so all my chicken blends that I like to use, so I'm just gonna make up some seasonings and put them in here. I have, put it over there. I needed I broke my 2-cup size measuring cup, so I got one of these from Dollar Tree. I will probably get a glass one soon. I just got this because I saw it and it was $1. But this does not say BPA free, and I look for that with a lot of our stuff now because I don't think it's lead, but it's something in the glass and the plastic that's not healthy for you. So I always try to get BPA free containers, cups, glasses, plates, and stuff like that. So you have to be very careful when you get stuff that says like made in China especially, and it doesn't say BPA free especially. So be careful of that. I got some dish detergent. I got, of course, Dawn. And I'll try to link that video at the end. If you all have grease stains, whether it's your clothes, your husband's clothes from working, or you know, you cooking and you get grease popped on you, y'all. This Dawn is not just for dishes, it's for other stuff. So I have a video about this, so y'all watch that. That is so good. I got a lot of good reviews on that. People have tried it and they say it works. So I already knew it worked, but yeah. So I got that, the Dawn, and then two of these Ajax. And let's see what else. Oh, okay. Now I got two of these. I'm gonna try to speed up. I don't want the video too long, but these hot packs, these are cold and hot packs. And I've used cold packs for years, but lately, like going places, if we're going to Isaiah's game or, you know, different things like that, sometimes I'll cook before we leave and we get to rush and we can't eat. And this is good for just taking dinner with us. If you just put it in a container or whatever, and or your individual plate, because I have plates with individual lids and stuff on them. And if you just put this in a, you know, in the bag with your food, it'll keep your food hot. So I thought that was a real good find at the Dollar Tree, because I looked it up online and all that. They're expensive. Go to Dollar Tree, $1. So I hope it works well. I'll let y'all know. All right, so got these Dove beauty creams. Y'all saw that I've had it in the navy blue container, and I love that one. I hadn't tried this one yet, so I got two of those. And I don't know if there is a difference in the softness or whatever, but I will try it and see. Yeah, I love that. Steph, Life of Steph vlogs hooked me on to that. So thank you, Steph. Also, I got these thank you notes, and I just thought this was so cute, you know, being feminine and everything. That's so cute. It can be a thank you card to another lady, or a note of encouragement or something like that. And that was at the Dollar Tree. It is, let's see, six. It's six of them in here. So that is so cute. Also, got another one of these. I love these lip glosses. Love that. The puffs. I already took one out and put it in my purse. I'm sorry. But the tissues, it was a 2-pack, and it's the Lotion Plus, so they're real soft. I could not help it. This was so pretty. You know how sometimes you buy, I usually don't buy stuff just to be buying it, because I just, you know, money just don't run like that all the time. But this was so cute. Look at the gloss on there. And the theme is, I still have apples in my kitchen as part of my theme. So this is just so cute. Look how it's shiny. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. So I got that just because. All right, and I have these. This will probably be part of my setup on one of my sets somewhere in the house. I just thought these were cute to use with one of maybe my gold background or backsplashes or whatever. So I thought those were so cute. $1 a piece, of course. And this trouser socks, y'all. The Dollar Tree had, and I know they've had them for a while. You know, sometimes, like I said, when I first started going to Dollar Tree, it was just certain things that I got, and I just be up and down the aisles real quick, kind of glancing or whatever. And these are good quality too. They're good quality, but they're 2 pair of trouser socks. They're for women. And you know how sometimes you wear your casual shoes, you don't want thick socks on with them or whatever. You don't want to put on stockings. So, you know, especially wintertime, fall and wintertime, these are great to have. And they're the knee highs. So, knee highs. And this, I have a navy blue coat, and the fur is like this color. And I just thought this was so cute when I saw it. I love that print, and I just love that. So it's a fleece scarf, and yeah, I thought that was so cute. I said I got something to match that. and aluminum foil. And this is a strong aluminum foil too. I've used this before. So it's a 25-foot aluminum foil. And I get my toilet paper from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I do. I love it because I've tried Charmin. I've tried the, what do you call it, Angel Soft. Angel Soft is good. And all the other, toilet papers and stuff. But this is cheaper, but it's good. It's still real good. It's not pillow plush soft, but it is soft. And it's as strong and soft, but it really is. But the reason why I get it from Dollar Tree, as some of you all know, but new people, I'll say it again, it has 240 sheets per roll. And it's a 2-ply. So it's thick, it's good quality. But other, other brands that have less sheets per roll cost more from what I have found. So you have to kind of, do the math to see if it's more economical for you. So I did, and this is where I get mine from. It's $1, and it's a savings versus the other brands that are out there. So yeah, Dollar Tree got some good finds. And that is all. That is all. That's my big haul. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything, put them down in the comments below. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know how you are decorating your house this Christmas, whether it's the inside or the outside. Are you going for farmhouse, comfy flair? Are you going for big and gaudy? Are you doing sophisticated? And, let me know. All right? I love you all. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you for supporting me. You all are wonderful. If you are new here, subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. Hit that notification bell. That way, when I upload a new video, you'll get it right away. And thumbs me up. If you like this video, thumbs me up. All right. Love you all. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.